Hello everyone. So if you have a data with the different units or different formats, then how to multiply? So first of all, suppose this column. Okay. So click on the more number formats and custom. And here you have to type first of all zero space and in double quotation. Suppose you have a data in the kg format. Okay. Press OK. Then this one again format custom. Okay, and suppose this one you have in rupees, so rs. Okay, and okay. Okay, so now if I write 15, it will be 15 kg. If I write 20 rupees, it will be like 20 rupees. And then this one also we want our answer in the rupees format, so again custom, and this third one will be zero space double quotation rs. Okay, and now we will write the formula of multiplication, this multiplied by this. See, easily. And you can, if you want, we can write down also like this. So for example, 20 and 10 will give you 200. If it is 15 and again if it is 50, we will get something like this. If it is 5 and 100, we are getting something like this. So easily you can calculate. Thank you everyone.